Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Light pink color, green color, yellow color, orange color, pink color, red color, brown color, sky blue color, green color and violet color. Zero, Z-E-R-O, zero. Zero. One. One. O-N-E, one. Number one. Two. T-W-O, two. Number two. Three. T-H-R-E-E, three. Number three. Four. F-O-U-R, four. Number four. Five. F-I-V-E, five. Number five. Six. S-I-X, six. Number six. Seven. S-E-V-E-N, seven. Number seven. Eight. E-I-G-H-T, eight. Number eight. Nine. N-I-N-E, nine. Number nine. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.